Hey guys, so I am sitting here in Washington DC at my hotel, and instead of going out there and having fun by Tyson's Corner and doing all that stuff outdoors like I like to do, I decided to put on some little bit of ambient music, create an email for a basically email blast or campaign to send out to people that I have their emails. So obviously over the years I've collected a lot of emails, LinkedIn connections as well. You can download your connections in LinkedIn and all the emails they have registered on LinkedIn, then go into a database, an Excel spreadsheet, and you have their first name, their company, their first and last name, their company, their email, position. So it's kind of a cool database to have. So it's always good to increase your connections on LinkedIn as well. It's a very professional platform. But anyways, point being, I'm playing some great music. I just ordered room service literally like 2 seconds ago. I've got a great dinner coming up, nice and healthy, and I'm gonna sit here listening to some music. The sun has just recently set, it was gorgeous, and basically go through the list of names. And originally when I put out this email to my team, I said I'm only gonna do 10 names, but you know what? 10 names, now I'm addicted. I'm gonna do 10 more, I'm gonna do 10 more. I think I might actually do 100 tonight. But reason being is the 10 I did, it only took, I didn't spend more than 5 minutes on 10 names. And I just copy paste, and I use Outlook on the computer, what is it called? iMac or something, MacBook Pro, whatever this thing is. But anyways, that thing. So send again. Delete the name, replace it with the new email, send. Send again, delete with the name, send again. So it's so easy. Now, I'm gonna actually show you what I'm doing, okay? So here we go, watch this. There's the emails. I'm gonna pick an email out of my Excel spreadsheet here, copy, go here, send again. It pops up with my email from before. Replace the name. And then this one, this Rue is Rick is his first name. So R-I-K-K-E. So there we go. So now it's hello Rick. I know it's been a while since we connected. Wanted to reach out and share with you something. Or share something with you. I have been blessed, and I guess you could say I've chosen to pay it forward. With that being said, please do yourself a favor and take the next few minutes to watch this video. Feel free to send me any questions you have. This has changed the way I literally do everything. And this is a video to the shopping annuity link video that shows them what the shopping annuity is all about in a 3-minute and 30-second video. Underneath that I put, and if you would like to actually take the shopping annuity assessment, which I bolded shopping annuity, I have provided the link below. Let me know when we can set up a call to discuss if there is any interest. The assessment, and I put my website here. So what happens is, bam, they get my website, they click on that, they take the assessment. Now, if they get this email and they don't read it, so what? That's 1 out of the 100 I'm going to do tonight, right? So maybe out of the 100, maybe 20 of them open the email. Out of 20, maybe 10 of them look at the video, and out of 10, 5 of them get interested. Doesn't matter. It's not going to take me long. I'm having a good time. I'm building my business. And then what I'm going to do is after I get through all the names on that Excel spreadsheet, I'm simply just going to go through it again. Because by the time I get to the end, it'll be 2 months from now. I don't even know what that's going to look like because there's a lot of names on that list. I actually have a lot of connections. I've made a lot of connections over the years. So I'm going to go through the list. And then I reach out again because it's not a no for me until they know what they're saying no to. You have to realize that. If people are telling you they're not interested, it's because they don't know the facts. Because honestly, anyone with any kind of vision and logic knows you're going to spend money no matter what. So if you're going to spend money, why not turn it into an investment or an income that's going to pay you for the rest of your life? So bottom line is, it makes sense and you're doing someone a favor. So be annoying. Trust me, it's worth it. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Cheers.